Hi guys, I hope you've been enjoying my videos. Well, today we'll be making potato wedges, and if you want to learn a fast way to make potato wedges, because they actually do take forever, but not this recipe, keep watching this video. I already peeled and washed my potatoes, so now I'm just going to slice them up into wedges. I like thick wedges, as you can see, but if you want thinner wedges, you can do that. So now I'm just going to put it in the pot and boil for 7 minutes. I'm doing this so the potatoes can be soft, and by the time I put them in the oven, I won't take too long to get like a crunch on the outer part of the potato. But if I had to put this in the oven straight away, it would take forever. So boil this for 7 minutes. While we're waiting for the potatoes to boil, I'm going to preheat my oven to 200 degrees Celsius. Please don't burn your house, I beg. It's been 7 minutes, so I'm going to drain my potatoes now. I love garlic, like I said in my crispy chicken video. If you don't like garlic, you can leave it out. So I'm going to add some salt and oil as well. You can add other spices if you like. You could add seasoning cubes. Actually, you can do that. I do that sometimes, but don't add the salt if you're going to do that. So I'm just going to mix this together after adding my oil, and I'm going to pour it in a grill pan. If you don't have a grill pan, you can use a normal pan lined with baking paper and just put it in the oven. It'll still work, but I like my grill pan, so I'm going to use a grill pan. This will go into the oven for 45 minutes. So halfway through, I'm going to check my potatoes and turn them over. You can just keep an eye on your potatoes because your oven might be hotter or not as hot as mine. So 22 minutes into baking time, and see, we're already getting some color on the potatoes. So I'm just flipping them over, and then they'll go back into the oven for another 23 minutes. 23 minutes after, the wedges are finally ready. They are crunchy on the outside, soft and pillowy on the inside. Let me know if you tried this recipe in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay blessed.